Meaning of djinn.
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 djinn,
Djinn. Djinn, also spelled genie, is a supernatural creature in Islamic mythology and theology. They are believed to be made of smokeless flame or scorching fire and share similar abilities to angels and demons, including the ability to shapeshift, possess humans, and grant wishes. Jinn are mentioned frequently in the Quran and are often depicted as mischievous or malevolent beings who can cause harm to humans. They are usually invisible but can make themselves visible to humans by taking on various forms. The term jinn comes from the Arabic word jinn, which means to hide or to conceal.